For many parents who have homeschooled their children through the elementary years, continuing the process during high school may seem like a daunting task. After all, math and science become more advanced in the teen years, and you may not have been a genius when it came to those subjects when you were in high school. You may also be concerned about the social aspect of your child's development, as this becomes even more important for teenagers. But if your son or daughter has benefited greatly from the homeschool experience this far, why put a stop to it? Especially with all the online resources available today, it's definitely possible to give your teenager everything he or she needs to be successful at this stage of the game. With an older child, you don't have to be a constant guide every step of the way. Of course, a teenager still requires help and guidance, but for the most part, a large percentage of the workload can be carried out independently. If you have high-quality learning materials and books at your disposal, your child can work through the subjects alone. If a question ever arises, the internet, with tons of helpful online information for the curious and homeschoolers alike, is just a few mouse clicks away. Also, you can sign your teenager up for online high school courses, if you prefer they learn directly from a teacher or tutor. There is a wide range of high school courses available online that make it easy to earn a degree, right from the comfort of your own home. For certain subjects that your child might struggle with, consider hiring a tutor to come to your home a few days a week for lessons. Math and science tutors are the most popular choices, as one-on-one help with these subjects is something most students benefit the most from. Another option, community college courses. You can give your teen an edge if they attend classes at the local community college. For certain subjects, being taught by a college teacher, and interacting with other students who are also interested in what is being taught, this is an excellent way to obtain particular credits and socialize with people who are on the same wavelength academically. You may have to jump through some hoops to enroll your child, but it can be worthwhile in the end. If you're worried about neglecting your teen's social development, there are many ways to make up for any experiences normally enjoyed during high school. Homeschooled high school students usually participate in a wide range of social activities, by volunteering, working part-time, and partaking in a sport or musical group. Many homeschoolers even plan a prom. If you believe homeschooling is right for your child, there's no reason to give up when the high school years roll around. There are many ways to make your older child's homeschooling experience one to be cherished. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.